Welcome to the quick tutorial of pvapins.com. pvapins is a platform where you can buy or rent any country's phone number for verify any app. First we have to go pvapins.com and click the sign up button. If you have already an account, then simply log in your account, if not just register new account button. Fill the box with proper information and tap the create account button. After sign up successfully, we will see the interface like this. For purchase or rent any number, we have to recharge this account. The process is very easy, just hover on top up option and select recharge your account. All available payment methods are shown here based on country. Select any of them and made a successful recharge. After a successful payment, the amount will add our account and will be shown here. Now we are ready to purchase number here. In today's tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to create an Amazon account using an Indian virtual phone number through pvapins. Let's begin. First, open your preferred browser and go to amazon.com. Once the homepage loads, click on the Start Here button to start the registration process. To create an Amazon account, you'll need a valid phone number for verification. This is where pvapins makes things easy. Now, return pvapins and search here for India and select it. Next, use the search bar and type Amazon to quickly filter available numbers. You'll see a list of available Indian numbers. Select any number from the list that suits you. The virtual phone number will appear on your dashboard. Copy this number and paste the number into the phone number field and click Continue to continue. Amazon will now send a verification code to the number you entered. Switch back to your pvapins dashboard, where the OTP will automatically appear. Copy the verification code and enter the OTP in the verification field and confirm it. That's it. Once the code is verified, your Amazon account will be successfully created and ready to use. Thanks for watching.